Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing. And we do digital budgeting as well as cash stuffing, saving challenges, scratch offs, all the jazz. If any of this interest you, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button. If you make it to the end of the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, guys, let's get into today's video, which is closing out my paycheck number 2 of April, which is the last paycheck in April. And then I have a so-called magic month. So I'm excited for that. The screen I'm looking at is over here and you guys are here. So I apologize if I'm not looking directly at you. Let us get started. Okay, sun is sunning. Can y'all see that? Okay. Let's get into it. So let's get into our Tara's Major Keys account here. And let's take it to the bottom. Take it to the bottom. Where were we last? Okay, let's start with this. Dollar. Let's start with this dollar right here. So, if you're new here, what I do is anything that's not in bright green means it did not clear at the time that we allocated out our money. And the goal here in today's video is to make sure that everything becomes bright green and we're at a zero-based budget at the end to make sure that we paid all our bills that were scheduled and moved any money that we don't have to move. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make this buffer 0 so it goes back to available. And I'm going to make that purple. Okay. Rude. All right. So let's start here. A dollar for Navy Federal. So this is our Navy Federal dollar. Every paycheck I put $1 in to keep that account open. And it's been adding up nicely. I believe we are at $38 now. Bright green. And the next thing is the Nissan payment, half of the Nissan payment. Here it is. That's the car payment. And so that's bright green. That cleared the bank. Okay, so this is an in and out. I put in $40 from my All the Things account, and that was to cover the cost of mowing my lawn. A family member did it, so I didn't want them to do it for free. It's hot here. It's in the 80s, y'all. So, and then I took it back out from the ATM. So I moved it from All the Things into my main account just to go to the bank and take it back out because at the time I took the cash out of self-care. I hope that makes sense. I put the cash back in self-care. I am not writing these in and outs today, y'all. So $151 deposits from how so all of these here in green are actually payments that were made to the credit card. So we reconciled the credit card and we moved in each amount. I moved in each amount and then paid the credit card. So we have 151 plus 45.64 plus 15 plus 21.59. Anything else? No. And that's 233.23. And as you'll come here, you'll see Capital One payment for 233.23. So they just equal each other out. I mean, I guess I can put those in there, even though they zero out. So they would go into rollovers and transfers of 151 plus 45.64 plus 15 plus 21.59. And then under credit card payment, I think I went too fast. It should be under debt. Capital One credit card payment. We made a payment of 230. What did I say? 230. Did I zero? 233.23. 233. I used to go play that number somewhere. I don't even play anything. 233.23, and we can make that green. All right, guys. So next thing after we done this is $5. I transferred $5. I didn't transfer anything. I paid $5 because I had forgotten. Well, I didn't know when I was going to switch out my phone companies. I switched from T-Mobile to Visible, which my friend told me about. My link is down below if you're interested in switching. You do, I think, have to have your own device. I believe that might not be the truth because you just check. But what happened is when she sent me her referral code, she got $20 off her bill and I got $20 off my bill. So I only have to pay $5 and it's not due again until I think May 16th. So that was nice. And then it'll be $25 going forward. So far, it's been okay. I haven't had too many issues. Now I'm like nitpicking everything. So I'm like, is this loading too slow? Is this loading too fast? But nothing too crazy. But that's what the $5 was. I did not remember or know that I was going to switch to them. So I'm going to put this $5 under cell phone bill here. And I just ended up taking out the buffer because he had like $50 in the buffer. So I just like, let me go ahead and pay it. So in cell phone, I'm going to make this $5 and I'm going to say that we paid it because I paid it right on the credit card through the credit card. Now, Comcast, oh, yep, Comcast is our internet service. It's automatic, and that came through. And the Discover payment on my Discover card, of course, the balance is now at 0. And there we go. That came through 230. Wait, what's this? Oh, this is the credit card payment we made. Then our mortgage came out. I keep saying hour, but y'all, I'm a single budgeter. 118362. Hour as in me and you. That came out, and oh, y'all, we got money. We got money. We got money. It was so I think I put up a short, y'all. I got money back from my escrow account and I overpaid, I guess. I'm not mad about it, but I was in my mail. I never check my mail, y'all. I never check my mail. I bring the mail in, but I never open them. I have to do better. This was in the mail, and I was like, "Oh my God, thank you, Jesus!" So I 63502. Honestly, y'all, I just took it and moved it. I moved it to Hold Your Horses because I didn't know what I needed, what I wanted to do with it. I did brainstorm some things, but now I don't know what I did with my brainstorm paper because I wanted to share it with you guys so you could help me try to figure it out. I think I was thinking like some to 100 to emergency fund, 100 to the escrow account. I don't have really nothing in the escrow account, but it would be good to put something over there. Some to like getting my house together because I really want to work on my backyard. Some to my grandma's birthday, like I want to give her a $50. If not 100, like I want to give her some money. Like there's just a lot that I want to do with this $600. Y'all know $600 go fast. But we're going to do another video once I completely figured it out. Leave your comments down below if you have any ideas what to do with this money. I know if my girl Lisa's watching, she's like, just put it all to the HVAC system. But girl, it's summer. Okay, and so 106 is money that was added. We reconciled our credit card already, and 106 was the total taken out of cash envelope. So that also you'll see was paid, that was deposited in and then paid to the credit card. So I guess I should write that there too. And where are we at? 106, not rollover transfer. It's technically, oh, I guess we'll put it in rollover transfer plus 106, and then we're going to add another 106 to our credit card payment. Equal to 30 plus 106. All right. Yeah, so I'm not going to, the money came in unexpectedly and got moved right out to Hold Your Horses. So I'm not even going to write that down. I guess I could put that in like other miscellaneous, but I don't really have anywhere to say that. I don't have a Hold Your Horses. I guess I can put it over here. Okay, so we're gonna put that in total. Not YouTube. We didn't get in YouTube, but we have move miscellaneous or side hustle. That would have been $635.02 came in, and we're just gonna put that we moved that to other because we don't have a Hold Your Horses thing down here. 635.02, and that's been done. All right. And so then we have, stop opening things. What did I have? I went to Zumba. I knew I had a buffer, so I went ahead and just took it out the buffer. That is basically like the gym. So $8 came out for that. And I've really been enjoying that. And y'all know that I told y'all that she's going to let me do $25. I might just give her 30 because I have the little extra money come in. And I'm only going to go 2 of the 3 days that that they work out. So or let me know what y'all think below. You're like, girl, just pay the $25 she told you, or now that, or you're the type of person that's like, you have a little extra, you can give her 30. I'm the you have a little extra, you can give her 30 person, of course. So this is our bill for the security system right here that pays on the credit card, and I pay the credit card right back. And we already talked about this 106. Now I moved 4320 into Hold Your Horses. So that kind of clears it out. This bill does not come out, the six security equipment doesn't come out till the 27th, which I think is tomorrow. Over the weekend, so it might delay. So what I did was just move the money out of our account so that we can close out now and have it done. So that's where that is. And then members only, I took that money out of membership, put it back in, and then I Zelled it to myself. Because y'all know membership is an Ally bank account, and I just wanted to make sure that we were good on that. And then PayPal, okay, PayPal. Remember I was telling y'all about the person who was wanting me to review the camera and all that? Well, I did review the camera. It was actually a nice little camera. And I gave a review. We didn't have to give 5 stars. We just had to give a review. And I did a little video for it, and they paid me in a commission of $10.48. So I have another miscellaneous income of $10.48, and all things count. So thank you, Jesus, for every little thing, the small things, the big things. We're grateful over here. And then we come to the bottom. So we should have a buffer of $48.07 left, and everything should be green. So let's start at the top and carry on down. Uh-oh. Why did I make the car payment, girl? We saw the car payment clear. I didn't make it green for some reason. Y'all didn't tell me. So all that. Yes, ma'am. Everything is green. And we have what? A balance of $48.07. And the crowd goes, wow. We love it when it comes together, okay? We love it when it comes together. Okay, so 4807, I was going to put in all the things, but because I'm planning on putting some of the money from the 600 something dollars and all the things, what I'm going to do with this 4807 is, because I don't get paid until next week. Yeah, until next week, I'm going to let it rock. But my initial thought, if we don't have to spend any of this on anything else, is that it's going to get rolled over into the what's the thing called? Yeah, don't laugh at me. Food, because we're doing a Move Your Body May challenge in May. If you don't know, there's a short on my channel. There's a video on my channel. Check it out if you're interested. All you lovely people who have already joined in, I'm so excited for us. There's a tracker, habit tracker I created for all of us as well. That's free on Canva. Definitely would love for y'all to join me. So I'm figuring, like, if I want, sometimes y'all know healthier food costs a little bit more. So I'm going to put the 4807 in food and groceries for now. But we'll double check when the next check comes in to see if that's exactly what's left over. I'm going to leave it as a buffer technically, but it's in food, if that makes sense to you. So that we get, what did I type? Groceries. Let's slow down, Tara. Groceries would be under here. Also, okay, so now we're at a zero-based budget, y'all. The extra 4807 is technically in groceries, which I'll move over to my cashless envelope when I get my next paycheck. I don't want to leave my account sitting at zero for a week. If we were a couple days out, then maybe. But we've got all of Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to make it. We shouldn't have to touch anything in this account. We shouldn't be touching anything in this account. But just in case, we'll leave the 4807 there. And then right before we allocate our next May checks, then I'll move the 4807 to it might not even be 4807. It might just be 45. Let's be for real. Or 40, because I have to take that money out of the bank. And so that means we have 807. We'll leave 807 as the buffer. You know what? This is more than enough. We're going to leave 807 as a buffer, and we're going to go ahead and make that transfer of $40 from me to because I also need to get my cash out eventually to do our May stuffing. So to cash envelope money, I am moving $40. And that's for extra grocery money. Transfer. Success. Boom. So we really only have 807 left in the buffer. And that's fine. We're going to leave it in the buffer, and now we still have a zero-based budget. We all match. We're all good, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are doing well. Let me know how your budget's going. Let me know if you are already ready for May, because the next thing coming, y'all, more than likely is going to be setting up for our May paychecks, okay? Hope all is well. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Just here. Love you, mean it, boy.